Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. We've got MGZS 2017 onwards wiper arm and wiper blade here. Now I'm going to show you how to disconnect wiper blade from the arm. Can you see this little button here? You've got the same on the other side over here. You just press it and twist the wiper so you can release it. That's how it looks, the original wiper. And now I'm going to fit HEYNER hybrid wiper blades on the MGZS wiper arm. So we have HEYNER hybrid wiper blade, and we will need PL adapter to fit it. First thing we need to do is open the adapter, so pull the head of the adapter so it's open. Then place this bit into the hole here, and then we will be able to close the adapter. That's how it closes, and now I can attach metal bar to the adapter here. I will show you that from different angles as well. Click it, and now wiper blade is fixed. Yeah, we've got the adapter in different angle. Adapter is open. We place it on the wiper arm and then lock the adapter. As you can see, it's locked here. Now we can place the metal bar in the adapter slot. Click, job done. Thank you for watching.